Hey everyone, I'm back to show you something else. My friends at Lanmu sent me a power adapter for the Ring Spotlight Cam battery as well. Um, so that way I don't have to buy the solar panel because this is a lot cheaper and it'll keep the battery charged. This goes for $12.99 on Amazon. It has 3.5 stars. But let's see how it works out. Should be a simple install. Here's a power adapter for the USB. Here's the 20-foot cable. This is what's going to give the Ring Spotlight Cam the constant power source right here. And this just plugs in to this. And I just noticed something, but there's like a little rubber ring here around the USB plug. And when you plug it in, kind of gives it a seal because this is probably meant for the outdoors. So that was a nice touch. That's pretty cool. You can see this one has it too, that little rubber thing right here. See it? All right. Okay, so here's some wire management plastic clips. There's 5 of them. And here's 3 screws, but you only need 2. So 1 is extra, I guess. All right. And I'm too lazy to go take down my Ring Spotlight Cam battery unit outside, so I have a fresh one right here, a brand new one right here. All right, I'm back. I just took out my ring, and this is what it looks like on the back, which is where we're going to be working. I'm just going to slide this battery cover down and push this button right here, the one next to this knob, so I can slide this down. It comes right off, and that exposes the plug right here for the constant power. If you have a solar panel, that's where it plugs into as well. So the instructions say to remove the silicone button pad right here so that we can plug it in. Popped it out, put that aside. I'm gonna put this back in. Make sure you get this towards the top of the ring. Now that exposes the plug for this to go in. Let me just untangle this a little bit so I have some space. And now this can go in here like so, and I'll get 2 screws to go down to secure this. So in this little bag are 3 screws. I only need 2. You need a very small screwdriver. I'll try to show you more up close here. And that's it. Now it's nice and secure. Let me plug it in and try it out. And plug this into one of the slots here. Which way does it go? Go this way. can see it's lighting up. I guess it would have done it anyways with just the battery alone. But this plug is supposed to keep it charged. So then we should be good to go to mount this anywhere you want, and then use this plug to maintain the charge. And this way you don't need the Ring solar panel that goes for like 50 or 60 bucks. You can get this cable for $12.99 on Amazon right now from Lanmu. It's the Weatherproof outdoor power cable for Ring Spotlight Cam battery. And I want to thank Lanmu for sending this over to me to try out. I'm really excited. And you know, if anybody has any questions or comments, let me know. But I'll be sure to do a follow-up in the comment section later to let you guys know how it's going over time. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.